Welcome to Wisdom for Seniors USA, your home for uplifting insights, inspiring lessons, and life-changing knowledge designed especially for seniors and the families who love them. Before we begin, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support helps us reach more seniors across the world with empowering, life-improving content. Today's topic is especially meaningful because it concerns something every single one of us thinks about: how long we might live and what signs the body gives to help predict longevity after age 70. Now, the truth is that aging is incredibly personal. Two people the same age can have completely different levels of strength, mobility, energy, and health. That's why scientists have spent years studying something called predictors of longevity, clues found in the body, the mind, and lifestyle that reveal how long someone is likely to live. These signs aren't about fortune-telling. They're not magical predictions. They're real evidence-based indicators that help us understand the aging process and, most importantly, what we can do to extend and improve the years ahead. And here's something powerful. Even if you don't have all of these signs today, you can start building them now. Longevity is not fixed. It's something we can shape through choices, habits, and our mindset, even after 70, 80, or 90 years old. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the 7 incredible signs that may predict how long you'll live after the age of 70. Some of these signs are obvious, others are surprising, and one of them might change the way you think about aging forever. Let's begin. Sign 1. Walking speed. The hidden key to longevity. Our first sign is one of the most powerful, yet most overlooked indicators of aging: your walking speed. On the surface, it might seem simple, but your walking speed is like a snapshot of how your heart, lungs, muscles, nerves, and brain are working together. In fact, multiple long-term studies show that seniors who walk at a fast pace tend to live significantly longer than those who walk slowly. Why is that? Let's break it down. Walking is one of the most complicated movements the human body performs. When you take a step, your heart pumps blood to your muscles, your lungs supply oxygen, your brain calculates balance, your nerves send signals instantly, and your bones support your weight. All of this happens in a fraction of a second. So when someone walks quickly and naturally, it suggests that their whole body is functioning well. Researchers from the University of Pittsburgh found that walking speed is such a strong indicator that they could predict lifespan more accurately with walking speed than with age, weight, or even some medical tests. The study included over 34,000 seniors, and the results were crystal clear. The faster the walking speed, the longer the lifespan. But what does fast walking actually mean? It doesn't mean sprinting. It doesn't mean jogging. It simply means walking with purpose, a comfortable pace where you feel stable, steady, and confident. To understand this better, think of two seniors. Mary, age 72, walks daily. Her pace is strong, her posture is upright, and she moves with confidence. George, also age 72, walks slowly, shuffles his feet, and struggles to keep balance. Even though they're the same age, their bodies are aging very differently. Walking speed is linked to heart strength, balance and coordination, cognitive health, muscle mass, independence. But here's the best news. Even if your walking speed has slowed, you can improve it at any age. Simple exercises like daily walks, light leg strengthening, stretching, balance practice using walking sticks for support. It can help restore confidence and mobility. Your walking speed tells a story. And for many seniors, improving it can add years of healthy life. Sign 2. Social connection. The power of relationships. One of the most beautiful and human predictors of longevity is social connection. Staying socially active, talking to friends, joining clubs, calling family, attending community events strongly increases life expectancy. Why? Because isolation is dangerous. Loneliness after age 70 can quietly impact the immune system, increase stress hormones, and even raise the risk of heart disease and cognitive decline. But seniors who stay connected experience something incredible: lower blood pressure, better memory, improved mood, Stronger immune response, higher motivation, greater purpose. Think of someone you know who's very social, someone who loves talking, laughing, and meeting new people. Chances are they seem younger than their age, their energy is high, their spirits are bright. That's because human beings are wired for connection. It fuels the soul and strengthens the body. Studies from Harvard's 80-year-long adult development research show one powerful truth. Strong relationships are the #1 predictor of long-term happiness and longevity. Not money, not fame, not even career success. Just relationships. And here's something inspiring. Social connection doesn't require a big group of friends. Even one good friend, one family member, or one neighbor you regularly talk to can make a tremendous difference. That's why staying connected in person, by phone, or even online, is one of the strongest indicators that you'll live a long and meaningful life. Sign 3. Independence in daily tasks. A true measure of health. Another powerful sign is how easily you handle everyday activities like cooking, bathing, dressing, cleaning, or carrying groceries. Doctors call this ADL, activities of daily living. If you can manage most or all of these tasks independently, it's a strong sign that your body is aging well. Why? Because daily activities blend together. Strength, balance, flexibility, dexterity, memory, coordination. Imagine someone who can clean their home, cook meals, and move around without assistance. These abilities show that their muscles, joints, and brain are functioning effectively. On the other hand, if these tasks become difficult, it doesn't mean you're aging poorly. It simply means your body needs support, strengthening, or adjustments. The most inspiring part is this. Seniors who stay independent tend to live longer, healthier, and happier lives because independence builds confidence, motivation, and pride. Sign 4. Your outlook on life. Positivity extends lifespan. Optimism isn't just an emotional trait, it's a biological advantage. Seniors with a positive mindset tend to recover faster, experience less stress, sleep better, maintain healthier heart function, live significantly longer. A 30-year Boston University study found that optimistic people live up to 10–15% longer than pessimists. That's huge. Why does positivity help? Because your brain and body are deeply connected. When you worry constantly, your body releases stress hormones like cortisol, which speed up aging. But when you stay hopeful, grateful, and forward thinking, your body relaxes, heals, and maintains balance. Positivity doesn't mean pretending everything is perfect. It means believing that things can improve and that life still holds value and meaning. A positive mindset is one of the strongest predictors of long life after age 70, and it can be cultivated at any age. Sign 5. Cognitive health. Keeping the mind young. A strong memory and sharp thinking are powerful indicators of longevity. The brain is a muscle, and like any muscle, it needs exercise. Seniors who regularly read, learn, solve puzzles, paint, write, or engage in mentally stimulating hobbies maintain healthier cognitive function. This reduces the risk of dementia, memory decline, depression, social withdrawal, but most importantly, a sharp mind promotes independence and purpose, two major contributors to long life. Sign 6. Healthy lifestyle habits. Building years through daily choices. Lifestyle habits are one of the strongest predictors of lifespan, even more powerful than genetics. These habits include nutritious eating, staying physically active, avoiding smoking, limiting alcohol, sleeping well, maintaining a healthy weight. Even small improvements can dramatically extend life after 70. Sign 7. Emotional resilience. The heart of healthy aging. Life after 70 brings emotional challenges. But seniors who remain resilient, who adapt, stay hopeful, and continue moving forward, live longer. Resilience reduces stress, strengthens immunity, and protects the heart. It is one of the most powerful emotional predictors of longevity. Bonus sign. Purpose and passion. The secret to a long life. People with purpose live longer, plain and simple. Purpose provides energy, motivation, direction, and joy. Seniors with goals or passions, even small ones, wake up with more excitement and experience better health. Thank you for watching Wisdom for Seniors USA. If this video inspired you, please like, subscribe, and share to support our mission of uplifting seniors everywhere. Remember, longevity is not luck, it is built, and you can strengthen these signs at any age.